LoRa and LoRaWAN, two words often confuse people. Are they same or the different technologies that work together? Let's simplify it with one analogy that you will never forget. Walkie-talkies. By the end of the video, you will know that what is difference between LoRa and LoRaWAN, how do they work together, and how industries use them to create real values. Imagine you and your friend using walkie-talkies to talk across the city. LoRa is like a walkie-talkie itself. It defines how your voice travels over long distances. It ensures your message can be heard clearly even through the buildings, trees, and interferences. So, LoRa is the technology that allows two devices to talk over long distances efficiently with low power. Now imagine hundreds of people in the city are using same walkie-talkies. If everyone talks at the same time, it is a total chaos. Voices get mixed and messages get lost. This is where the LoRaWAN comes in. It is a walkie-talkie network manager. It decides who can talk when, how messages are routed to the right place, and ensure every message reaches to the correct receiver without collision. So, while LoRa is your walkie-talkie, LoRaWAN is like your network rules and management systems that organizes the communication across the thousands of devices. Now let's break it down the main components of the network. In nodes. These are like a people with the walkie-talkies. They collect the data like temperature, pressure, motion, and send it over the air. Now gateways. These are like tower stations that pick up all walkie-talkie messages in the area and forward them into the central system. The next one is network server. It is kind of a central control room that manages traffic, remove duplicates, and ensure every message reaches to the right destination. Finally, the application server. It is where the message is finally received and displayed, like the screen showing the messages for the operators to act on. Now let's look inside the walkie-talkies. LoRa uses the method called as chirp spread spectrum. Think of it as a special way of modulating your voice so it can be heard clearly even if there are a lot of background noises. This allows LoRa to travel kilometers with a very low power, resist interferences, and work for the ears on the smaller battery. It operates on license-free frequency bands, so you don't need a SIM cards or recurring costs to send messages. Perfect for the industrial IoT use cases. Here is where it gets practical. Imagine you could deploy hundreds or thousands of sensors in your industry. That's what LoRa and LoRaWAN enables today. Industries use them for smart factories, monitor machine performance, energy usage, temperature without extra wiring. Agricultural, track soil moistures, weathers, irrigation remotely. Waste and water management, monitor tank levels, pumps, flood levels. Smart cities, control street lights, track parking spaces, monitor air quality. Asset and vehicle tracking, track trucks, train, and warehouse equipment in the real time. So these applications save money, improve efficiency, and reduce downtime, all because of the devices talk reliably over long distances using LoRa and the network that ensures every message reaches to the right place using LoRaWAN. So remember, LoRa is walkie-talkie that send messages. LoRaWAN is the network that organizes, manages, and delivers those messages. And if you want to see this in the real-life hardware, check out Macnman. We build LoRaWAN gateways, sensors, IoT devices that bring this technology to the real-life use cases in the factories, cities, farms, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, long-range communication doesn't have to be complicated when you understand the physical layer behind it. Thank you. Bye.